Hi, I am Manish Matthew from Intelligent Investors, and today we are going to have a quick update on the key global market performance for the last week. S&P 500 was completely under the control of the bears. It ended 3.06% below last week's closing level. SSE Composite had a good week. Bulls had a control on the index. It ended 2.04% above last week's closing levels. NI 225 played with the Teen Bulls. It ended 1.18% above last week's closing levels. HSI offered unconditional support to the Bulls. It ended 4.11% above last week's closing levels. Nifty 50 witnessed a ferocious fight between the Bulls and the Bears. Fortunately, Bulls won the battle last week, and it ended 3.07% above last week's closing levels. Crude oil reached a high of 116 and a low of 103 and finally settled at the same level of last week. Gold was with Teen Bulls for the entire week. It ended 1.93% above last week's closing levels. Bitcoin majorly moved sideways during the previous week. It ended 0.21% below previous week's close. Here we are watching a snapshot of all the compared assets. Important point to note is S&P 500 and Nifty 50 is still bearish in the daily chart. All other assets in the above comparison, including Bitcoin, has turned bullish in the daily charts as per the trend following momentum indicator MACD. This is a good sign. If majority of the key index continues to be bullish, the remaining index should ideally follow a similar path. Please note, Friday to Friday end of the data is considered for continuity. Third week of May was controlled by the Bulls. Hong Kong and India were the best performing assets, while USA was the worst. The last day of the week, that is Friday, witnessed a strong fight back by the Bulls. For the Bulls to take charge, USD and volatility index has to cool off. We will cover both the topics and more in our technically speaking month-end review. What is your reading for the coming week? Are you a bull or a bear? We intend to bring all the scattered data across the globe to you in a simple and understandable language. If you found it to be valuable, do share the same with the people in your network, and if possible, do hit the like button for encouraging the efforts. The follow or subscribe button will bring all the updates as a notification so that you can stay updated about the global markets. All good things should come to an end, so should our weekly review. We will meet again for our month-end review. Till then, you take care and have a blessed day. Thank you for your time. Goodbye till we meet again. Take care.